Welcome to your e-store. Visit our website www.yourstore.in. Navigate to the top menu list and click on the seller login. Now you see the sign in screen. Log in by entering your registered mobile number and password. Dashboard. Now you see the dashboard page that lets you monitor many metrics at once, so you can quickly see a detailed overview of your business in one glance. Reports as graphical interpretations on sales conversion, category, subcategory, products, customers, orders, and SMS credits. More reports on customer orders, payment, and delivery methods. Customer retention and delivery mode ratio are well represented here. Let's navigate through the left side menu. Click on the store to see more options for store activities like create a category, subcategory, add product, measurements, banners, delivery fees, PIN code, and point of sale, POS. Now click on order to know more on orders, abandoned cart, enquiry, feedbacks, order stage. Navigate to customers for profile, testimonials, credit book, reward points, referrals. Click on Marketing to see for push notifications, coupons, and blogs. Navigate to Account Setup to manage users and Delivery Boy. Click Settings for detailed configuration of shop settings and web settings. Category. A clear category structure created based on your industry will allow your customers to find what they are looking for. All you have to do is add a category name, image, and description. Now, the added category is listed below. You can manage the categories with View, Modify, Deactivate, Activate, Reorder, and Delete options. Above the listing table, you have the Reorder category option. That helps you in placing the category you feel valued as per your sequential order. Export the listed category in Excel format by just a click on the Export button. Subcategory. A proper subcategory structure created based on your category will allow your customers to find what they are looking for. All you have to do is choose a category, create a subcategory name, add an image, and description. Now, the added subcategory is listed below. You can manage the subcategories with View, Modify, Deactivate, Activate, Reorder, and Delete options. Above the listing table, you have the Reorder subcategory option. That helps you in placing the subcategory you feel valued as per your sequential order. Export the listed subcategory in Excel format by just a click on the Export button. You can filter the subcategory listing category-wise. Products. On the product page, you can add product details that help your clients better understand the product. Add available, sizes, quantity, pricing, images, description, etc. Then you can see the complete list of added products here. You manage products by viewing, modifying, deactivating or activating, delete, etc. You can search, sort, and filter products in various options. Reorder product is an effective option for placing your valued products in the top order of the product list for your customer. Import product helps you in a bulk product list upload in Excel format. Bulk product helps you in the update of pricing for bulk products. Measurements. This helps in defining a product unit based on the industry. For example, if your business is grocery, the product unit will be kilogram, gram, packet, piece, etc. If your business is garments, the product unit will be sizes, XL, XXL, etc. Banners. The banners you add here get published on the website homepage. Banner is a great place to show off your latest and greatest product or your new discount and get people interested. You can add a banner image with recommended dimensions, height, and width. You can link the banners to any of the 4 website page choices available. Login, home, category, subcategory. You can manage the banner by modifying, deactivate, activate, reorder and delete. Delivery fees. You can set your delivery fees based on the PIN code area you deliver orders. You can fix a price range for a particular or multiple PIN code area. For example, set a range from 60 rupee to 100 rupees, actual charge, cost 70 rupees. You can manage delivery fees with modify, deactivate, activate, and delete. PIN code. The PIN code settings will help you to streamline your orders. For example, you add 10 PIN code areas in the shop panel. You will receive orders from the customers located in the 10 PIN code areas you have set. Let us see how we do it. Set PIN code for the areas you plan to deliver orders. You can add a single or multiple PIN code by comma separator. For Pan India, select all PIN code. You can manage PIN code with modify, deactivate, activate, and delete. Perfect. You are ready with the delivery location. Point of sale. It's a simple billing system for your business. POS facilitates a quick customer order process while they are present at the shop or order through the phone. For example, when the customer visits the shop, the shopper can quickly search, add products for the customer, and complete the order with the payment process easily. Advantage customer data captured. The customer gets SMS and the shop brand promotion to the customer. One more feature added: save the orders and recall the order later and complete the process successfully. Orders. When a customer completes the checkout process, their order will appear in your seller panel on the order orders page. You will also receive a SMS notification. You can view and manage the orders with facility to update different statuses like ordered, accepted, assigned to delivery boy, completed, ordered, order received from customer, accepted, order is received and accepted, assigned to delivery boy, order received, accepted, and then assign a delivery boy to deliver completed, order delivered. Enquiry. Customers record their enquiry about the existing product on the website. For example, Tur Dhal, Udhaim brand is not available. You can view and manage customer concerns on products as enquiry on the order enquiry page in your seller panel. Feedback. Customers record their feedback on the website. The same is listed and viewed on the shop admin panel. Customer profile. Every time a new customer places an order in your store, their name and information appear on your customer list. You can see and manage all your customers at the customers page in your shop admin panel. From there, you can add new customers, edit customer type, delete, filter, add credits or search for a customer profile. See all orders placed by a specific customer. Customer testimonials. A customer testimonial is an unbiased, positive review of your product, service, or business. The customer records his testimonial through the website. That helps the shop attract more customers and build trust. You can see and manage all your customer testimonials on Customers Testimonial page in your shop admin panel. Customer Credit Book. The customer adds the amount to the credit book. Later, the amount is used for the order of products. It is similar to a wallet. You can view, add credit, and manage your customers' credit and transactions on this credit book page in your shop admin panel. Customer Rewards Points. You can see and manage all your customers' reward points on this page in your shop admin panel. You have a facility for shoppers to redeem points for customers in a well-secured way. Customer Referrals. Customers ordering online will add the referral code of another customer, and the referral member is benefited with cash back that you can view the listing on this customer referral page. The shoppers can manually add the customer's mobile number and their beneficiary referral code in their shop admin panel. Marketing push notifications. Send order updates, remind customers about your products, and keep up with what's happening in your store. You can see and manage push notifications for your customers on your shop admin panel. Marketing coupons. Customize your coupon codes. For example, use coupon festive 200 to get a discount of $200 if you purchase for $2000 and above. You can set the coupon codes and discount on this page and manage coupon. Account setup. Users. Provide your staff members with access to manage your store with their own account. You can see and manage users. Account setup. Delivery boy. Provide your delivery members with access to manage order delivery through the mobile app of your store. You can see and manage delivery boy user account. Shop settings. Tax management. You configure GST rates for the invoice billing. Delivery management. You configure the delivery methods for your customers here. For example, delivery, self-pickup, payment gateway. Configure the payment options for customers such as Google Pay, Paytm UPI, cash on delivery, and Razorpay payment gateway. Upload QR code images that help your customers to scan and pay. Delivery slots. Easily configure the delivery timing of the store for your customers. Order. Easily configure minimum order value for discounts. Set the maximum quantity purchase for a single product. Define customer order cancellation methods and stock available in quantity with just a click. Stocks. If enabled, they are available for your customers to display stock status of the product while ordering. SMS gateway. Set and enable the SMS messages that enhance customers' shopping experiences. Customize your setting when to send SMS to your customers. Rewards and referrals. Rewards, for example, for every order of $100 you get 10 points. Referrals, for example, For each minimum order of 1,000 made by the referral, the customer will get 2% cash back into their credit book. Web settings. Web setting editor is clean and organized with tools and features laid out clearly, from adding pages to adding elements and changing color schemes. Add contacts, the physical address of your store. SEO settings, page meta title, page meta description, page keywords to control how your site interacts with search engines like Google. Main panel. In this page, content display setting is configured for displaying products, best-selling products, product category, new arrivals, customer testimonials, hot deals on the website. Homepage. 3 unique selling points. This is a predefined template panel with only 3 options available. Create a content to describe that attracts or interests your customer. Middle banner. This is optional. The banner element can be seen in the middle of the website. Homepage. Offer banner. This available only mobile app. Create content with more offers that attracts your customers. The banner element has 3 sections: left, center, right, in columns and seen in the middle of the website homepage. Pages. Here you will update contents for few website pages listed below: about, contact, help, terms and condition, privacy policy, and refund policy, shipping policy. Messages. You set your error and confirmation messages for customers' online shopping activities. Watch more videos, step-by-step instructions with short tutorials on our Your Store YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.